Hi, and welcome to the Dummy Programmer. I'm going to walk you through a Leetcode problem with you. I'm just solving all Leetcode problems for to prepare for my interviews, my technical interviews. I'll be doing the solutions in Swift language. I'm a mobile developer, and Swift is it comes easy to me. And yeah, I hope the solution helps you out. Just otherwise, just watch for fun. Um, Okay, so this is one variation of the two-sum problem. Okay, in this problem, they're giving us an array of integers and a target value. Okay, and they're asking us to find a pair of numbers in that array of integers which sum up to the target value. Okay, so if you look at this example, we have this array, right? And they're asking us to find a pair of numbers which sum up to target 9. If you look here, in this case, 7 and 2 sum up to 9. But there's a catch here. They're asking for indices of the two numbers, right? Not the actual two numbers. Why is this difference? Why is this detail important? Because if they had not asked for indices, our approach could have been very different, right? We'll walk through the other approach in another video. But for this problem, let's see how to solve it, right? Let's take up this. Okay. So we have target 6. So this is your array of integers and this is your target. Now, so let's see if I think intuitively, what I can think of is if I start walking through the array and at each position, I subtract the target value with the value at current position. So in this case, 6 minus 3, which is 3. And then within that iteration, I walk through the rest of the array and I look for the presence of 3, right? That is a viable solution that is going to work. But that would also mean that we walk through the array multiple times, right? So in this case, it's a 3-element array. So it's not, I mean, the problem is not really visible, but let's assume you have an array of 10,000 elements, right? So to see whether the value that you're looking for, the complement of the current number, exists in the array or not, you will have to walk through the array multiple times, right? Which is not really efficient. So what can we do? We need to add some memory to this, right? So let's say we use a dictionary. So we have a dictionary int, right? What do we store in this dictionary? We want to remember what was at the current value and what is its complement so that we can directly, what do we record at each position? What is the complement of this? Because technically we need is to look for the presence of that complement in the rest of the array, right? So what we are going to do is in the key part, we are going to put the complement of the number at each position, and the value will be the index of the current position. Why do we save the index of the current position? Because it's asking us to return indices of the numbers that add up to the target. So if we do find the complement, we have to return the index of the complement and also the index of the original number, right? I hope that was clear. If not, we'll just do the solution. You will, I think, understand. So let's say this is complement dictionary, and it is of type int, right? So what do we do? So we walk through the array. So first let's I is less than nums.count, right? So we walk through the array plus 1. Now, we have to check at each position if the number at that position exists in the complement array or not, right? So we say complement dictionary dot keys dot contains. So let's just to access it in a pretty way. So if this key contains the current value, right, that means we return here the value. Okay, so first we have to return the complement dictionary current val and I. Okay, so that means what is going to be the value of this current val in the dictionary? It is going to be the index of the original number, right? And also we send the current index. If this does not contain this, then we do complement dictionary, and we what do we put here? Target. Oh, sorry. So we have to put the index will be target minus current val, and the value is going to be I, right? So what we are doing here is basically, if we are at position 3, so we are putting 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3, and the current position is 0, right? So now we want to look for 3, the presence of 3 in the rest of the array. And we know that its complement is at the position 0. And so here, if we find, so let's assume we find it here. In that case, we will return the original index and the current index. If not, okay. And if we hit this condition where we cannot find a complement at all, we will return an empty array. So let's see if we can run it. And oh, oops, sorry. Yes, all 3 cases passed, right? Yes, all 3 cases have passed. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the solution. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.